In the quest for radiant skin, remember it's not magic, just a few simple habits. It starts with hydration, your best friend. Aim to guzzle 2 to 3 liters of water each day to plump your skin from the inside out. Cleanse your face morning and night, and follow up with a moisturizer. Choose one suitable for your skin type, whether that's oily, dry, or combination. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. With 7 to 8 hours of snooze time, your skin repairs itself, rewarding you with a healthy glow. And here's a bonus tip. For an extra boost, snack on fruits rich in antioxidants. They wage war against free radicals that damage your skin, so there you have it. Simple habits for a gorgeous, glowing complexion. Check the video description for links to some skin-loving products. And remember, before trying new products, it's always recommended to consult with your doctor or a healthcare professional. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Stay radiant and beautiful always. Thank you.